Do artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, Splenda, and stevia help with weight loss? Do they cause cancer? Can they lead to diabetes? The answers to these questions and some really amazing jokes on Dr. Dave's 411. Oh, and please remember, if you are looking for ways to help prevent heart disease or just be healthier overall, then check out my website, drdavedegatti.com. You can find videos, recipes, and even ask me questions. America's consumption of foods and beverages containing artificial sweeteners continues to increase as health-conscious consumers try to decrease their sugar intake.
If you thought low-calorie sweeteners were helping you lose or maintain your weight, it's time to think again.
It's a finding that will be difficult for some people to swallow.
Artificial sweeteners could put users at risk for diabetes.
Zero-calorie sweeteners provide the same taste as sugar with the benefit that their name might suggest. So, what's the catch?
In fact, diet beverages such as diet soda account for the largest source of these sweeteners in the American diet. For decades, artificial sweeteners have been promoted as a way to help with weight loss. Recently, there was an interesting study on artificial sweeteners and weight loss published in the Journal of the American Heart Association. Researchers studied what happened when soda drinkers switched to drinking water or artificially sweetened beverages. The researchers recruited 203 adults who consumed at least one sugary beverage daily. The 203 adults were split into 3 groups. Group 1 was told to substitute their usual sugary drink with an artificially sweetened beverage such as Diet Coke and Diet Pepsi. Group 2 drank plain and sparkling water, and Group 3 continued their normal pattern of drinking sugary beverages such as regular soda. The researchers found that people who carried the most fat around their midsections had less weight gain when they switched from sugary drinks to diet beverages or water. Among this group, those who drank diet beverages gained about a pound. Those who switched to water lost roughly half a pound. And those who continued drinking sugary beverages gained an average of 10 pounds. So, in people who suffer from obesity, artificial sweeteners may be better than regular sugar, but definitely not better than water. This is supported by the American Heart Association, which in 2018 stated that using low-calorie sweetened beverages could be an effective strategy for weight loss, especially for people who are habitual consumers of sugary beverages. What about the idea that artificial sweeteners may cause cancer? Animal research in the 1970s suggested that artificial sweeteners could cause cancer, but later studies in humans did not support those claims. In fact, the American Cancer Society reviewed the available evidence in 2016 and concluded that there was no clear evidence of a link between low-calorie sweeteners and cancer in humans. Okay, sounds great. Maybe we should consider using artificial sweeteners since they appear to be better than sugar. Well, not so fast. Here is where it gets really interesting. Artificial sweeteners, which may be 100 times sweeter than sugar, appear to do more than just activate taste receptors on the tongue. Some studies have found that they can create changes in the good bacteria in our intestines, even promoting elevated blood sugar levels and pre-diabetes. There is also evidence that they can train our brain to crave intensely sweet foods. So what is the 411 on artificial sweeteners? Most experts feel that artificial sweeteners are probably better than sugar, but not by much. We just don't know enough about their long-term effects on our bodies, and therefore, I try to avoid all artificial sweeteners as best I can. Okay, who wants to hear a famous Dr. Dave joke? Did you hear about the truck full of sugar that collided with a truck full of strawberries? It created one heck of a jam.
No.
Did you know a way to ask me, do you want white or refined sugar? I said, doesn't matter. I'm ambidextrous. I'll stick with cardiology until next time. This is Dr. Dave.